All right, chicos. So we're going to continue with these formal ustedes commands. That is really kind of the only grammar topic of this chapter. The last thing that we're going to add is how to put a direct object pronoun onto the end of it. So, for example, if I say as a command, read the book, instead of saying read the book, I want to give the command of read it. We've worked on the pronouns, we've worked on the commands, and now we're just combining them. So, with all affirmative commands, the direct objects can be attached to the end. We're going to put it on the end of the command. So, for example, this sentence, compre el anillo, okay? Buy the ring. That is the command. And instead of saying buy the ring, I want you guys to now put by it. So, el anillo goes with lo. We have 4 direct object pronouns, right? Lo, la, los, and las. So you basically have to look at the noun and see which pronoun would it go with. Another example, traiga usted las cartas. Bring the letters, okay? Las cartas would take the pronoun las, so you would put tráigalas. Bring them. So letters is being replaced by them. Usually in commands, you are going to notice these accent marks. We are not going to focus on those accent marks right now. It's a little bit confusing. So I'm just going to make sure that you are, 1, putting it in the command form, and 2, attaching the pronoun. If you want to give a negative command, meaning don't do something, all you have to do is put no in front of the command. So the difference between positive and negative, positive goes on the end, negative goes before. Okay, so that's really important for you to notice. No compre el anillo, don't buy the ring. No lo compre. So the negative is going to go before the pronoun and the verb. So everything's going to move in front of the verb. This is important because if you put no traiga las, that would be incorrect. So for the negatives, we need to make sure you put the no, then the pronoun, then the verb, okay? So positive at the end, negative in front. So here we have some practice ones that I want to work with you guys together, okay? So first thing is the verb, this verb comes from tomar. It has opposite endings, so it already is conjugated in the correct command. But now I want us to say, take the medicine. So instead of saying take the medicine, I want you to say take it. You would take the verb, tome, and just attach the la. How would you make it negative? No la tome. Okay, so that's important that you realize the positive. This is positive, and this is negative. What about the next one? Hagan ustedes el trabajo. Do your work. You're just going to take the verb, hagan, and el trabajo would it take lo, la, los, or las? Lo. And same thing, if you want to say don't do the work, no lo hagan, separate. So I'm just going to highlight here, oops, okay, the importance of the lo being at the end and then the lo. So the first one's connected, the second is not. What about this one? Traiga ustedes las muletas. Traiga las. Bring them. Okay, and again the negative would be no las traiga. So just be careful when we're doing the positive and negatives. The next one, escriban los apuntes. write the notes. Write them. So both of these are commands. Write the notes, write them. Ponga usted la mesa. Póngala. One word. And no lave usted el carro. This is one negative. No lo lave. And the positive would be lávelo. Wash it. Okay, so it is a pretty easy topic. Why? Because we've done lo, la, los, and las. And now we are working with the commands, usted, ustedes, which is opposite endings. Okay, so if you could make sure that you get your classwork in, and then we will be conferencing tomorrow. Okay, ciao chicos.